This is Panda and Diego's pup that they had. It's the only one they had in this litter. He's an F1B Golden Doodle. He is sold. I'm just doing a little video. He seems to like the soft material I put him on for the pictures. His name is Nimbus. He was named by his family. Come here, Nimbus. Hi, Baba. Hi. Hi. Rich is trying to irritate him, maybe. Get him moving. He actually just rolled completely over by accident. Hi, Baba. Hi, Nimbus. And he weighs 2 pounds 7 ounces at a week old. But he has an all-you-can-eat buffet right now. Plenty of milk there for him. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye.